Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Overdose 619 and today I bought a quick shifter. It's a brand GYTR. That's how you pronounce it, GYTR, for Yamaha. So this is the one came up from Yamaha R1, and that one is Yamaha R6. We are going to find out if this one is going to fit on my R6. Remember, this is for Yamaha R1. So I already removed the seat and also the cover on the side, so I have access to check the plug where it gonna be located. This one, I think. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Not, hold on, let me put my camera up. So this little thing, that's where you plug the quick shifter. So it's gonna look like this one. So for you to able to work this quick shifter for Yamaha R1, so you need the whole set for this one and this, I think that's, and also this one. Yeah, let's do it. Let's install this bad boy. Okay, that, and I have to get this. That and that. Oh shit! And this one. Okay. Now everything is plugged in. It's just a matter of program this. So how do you program this? You just need to hold it up for like 10 seconds. Then wait for 10 seconds. Then after that, turn it on. Wait another 20 seconds. So guys, saw it guys. Right there, see? It's right there. It's already installed. So that's how you install the quick shifter. Wow, that is nice guys. That's easy. That is so easy guys. I have a working quick shifter. Nice. What can't believe it guys, what it just happened. So pretty much the quick shifter for R1, it works on I think any Yamaha that has quick shifter plugs. So guys, I hope you like my video how to install the quick shifter for Yamaha R1 to Yamaha R6. So that's basically it. That's how you install the quick shifter. It's easy. It won't take like an hour because you have to do a lot of mode. So you have to make this longer, the wires, so it can reach the plug. I think that's about it. That's all you need to do. And also just taking off the fairings and all the stuff, just for you to able to access the plug. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you like my video, and I'll see you on my next video for my test. Peace.